Here we are, guys. We got the Vitamix back on the board. SFH in the house. We're gonna make the Banana Choco-Damia Chiller. You wanna come back for this because it's gonna be killer. Take the lid off here. You got one banana. I like to use ones that are, you know, there's green tip, brown tip. Right when they're about this level, they have a good amount of sugar, and I find they work well for smoothies, baking, all that good stuff. But we're gonna go in with one banana, some ice, about that much. Then we have a single serve chocolate SFH pure whey protein derived from grass-fed cows, A2 dairy. Boom, going in there. And then we'll use a little bit of water to kind of help get the process started. Okay, a couple more ice cubes, and then some mac nuts. There we go. Oh, that's good. So that's it, nice and simple, kind of a summertime drink. We've got some healthy fat coming here. We've got our banana, and then of course our killer protein. Throw a little mint tip in there, and you're golden. We knocked it out of the park with this one. As always, we recommend fueling with whole foods, but in a pinch, SFH is the way to go. We did it today with the Banana Choco-Damia Chiller. Get out there, give this one a try.